Hey, my Lux babes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Y'all only been waiting 8 months on a curling tutorial. Okay, let's hop right in. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to curl. I'm going to be teaching y'all different techniques and methods that people also do when they're curling. Just, telling you, giving you the 411 on the curl, sweetie. So let's get into explaining. So here her hair is semi like has that blow dry, not too straightened look or effect. I like to keep some of the waviness just because once I'm done curling her curls will remain tight and I won't have to flat iron as much, or I wouldn't have to like pin them. So once people flat iron the hair prior to curling, then you will have to pin the curls because at once straightened the curls just become looser or they'll fall faster. Either one of the two. So this is just the back of her head. So let me show y'all the middle section. Let's explain the middle section. Right now I'm on the left side of her head. Now when I'm curling the left side of the head, my curling iron is facing downwards. It's facing downwards because I'm curling away from her face, and in order to get kind of like that flip look to where like it's flipped on both sides in the front, kind of like that bombshell look, I have to take the curling iron upside down in order to flip it backwards so that the curl is going in a different direction. So let's do this next piece. So curling iron upside down, you twirl it immediately, you slide it or tap, and then you keep doing that. So I'm trying to give y'all an easier way to grasp onto the concept. This was moving pretty fast. I don't even think it was speeded up or nothing. But now that we're on the right side of her face, I'm gonna grab it. You see it's right side up. I immediately turn it like I need the hair to be around the curling iron. So then I'm gonna tap 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 and move my whole hand so that all the hair is wrapped around the curling iron. These are the curling iron details. T3 curling iron 1-inch barrel. I do have the set that comes with 3. But yeah, this is the 1-inch barrel that I'm using right now. So immediately turning that whole curling iron so that I can get that hair on that barrel. Twisting and tapping, twisting and tapping, and then holding it for a minute and then releasing to get those cute tight curls. Now I hope that you all are able to grasp, this. I hope it's not too fast. I hope, y'all can slow it down. You have that option on YouTube. So just please utilize all the resources on what to get the look. So I did use the wax stick and hot comb just to make sure her leave out blends with the hair. She did a very good job of coloring this hair, and in the beginning of the video I showed y'all that she literally only covered her leave out area, and she's so smart because she used her previous sew-in and just colored her leave out in her edges that I did, so she knew how much she needed to leave out. So back to this left side, the curling iron is upside down. I'm rolling it, releasing it. And this is my girl Mimi. She is one of my loyal clients. She met me at the salon I worked at previous, and we just built a great relationship. I love all my clients, and I appreciate all my clients' relationships that we have and that we have built over the last 2 or 3 years. I've been seeing the same faces. Like, not gonna lie, like my clients love me. They love it here. So if you ever want to come get your hair done, girl, it's always gonna be good vibes and a good time, once we get used to each other and whatnot. So here I am. I'm doing the front of her face. And so I believe the clip is gonna get speeded up in a second, but I am gonna show y'all a bit of my personality and just the relationship that me and my clients have, because I thought this was really funny, so I thought to keep it in the video, because I'm probably gonna come back and watch this part because I was literally cracking up at her because she is so funny. Like, we both, it was just a vibe. You will see. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, whatevs.
This outdoor kitchen. That's nice. Alright guys, look at just like the sky. I feel like the sky is it don't look like that. Girl, now you know what you for. Now our sky is bogus too. The sky don't even look the same. It definitely don't. Their sky look clean and stress free. That's a shame. It do like even out. It just look peaceful. It's peaceful. Stopping by, watching the channel, guys, and most importantly, just giving my wife. Girl, feel like even the sky look better. Our team is growing by God's grace. That's bad. The Lord is bringing the increase, like the Bible says. Girl, that's why it's like on Chicago, like they said, like Chicago was like people is not coming here. And we just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. It's bad. That's sad right there. The sky even look better. Girl, look at the grass. Everything's perfect about that place. Like, this is crazy. Just look at the sky. It's the truth, though. I bet you our sky don't look like that, especially now over there where I'm staying at.
Oh my God. Just for a bit of context, was way before I moved to Houston. This when I was looking at Houston. I was very fantasized by Houston. I was just looking at videos. And my class was looking at it with me, and they did not care. So I'm just so grateful to have good clients with good vibes, and we just have a good time. But back to these curls. So I'm on the right side of her face, and when I'm at the top, I kind of like to take medium sections, kind of like how this one. I try not to take like more than 4 or 5 pieces when I get to the front of the head, just to like, give the curls that bouncy, like, feel. Like, this section is pretty thin, but that's because this is going to be a part of her bang, a part of the top. So you want that section to be thinner, but the rest of the sections, I would say medium, small. And those curls are looking good, y'all. So I did go ahead and speed it up, and I just want y'all to kind of like pay attention, kind of like rewatch the video. This is just to get a feel for the curls and what I'm doing. But I just really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, that you're able to rewatch it, that you're able to reference the video, and that was a good starter for you. If y'all need more detail, just let me know. I do also have curling videos on my TikTok. I have like 3 of them on my TikTok page. Must follow me there, babe. So yes, this is the finished look, and then I'm just gonna do a little styling that y'all see. And oh yes, so when I comb out my curls, I used to use like a big wide tooth comb. As y'all can see, I was using it at first too. But I like to use my fingers now, and I do like to use like my rat tail comb. Like, it has slightly wide teeth, but not too wide, but not too small at the same time, because that just make your curls even more defined. You have more control over how they look in the end. So ditch the wide tooth comb, use your fingers, put a little or spray on your fingers, maybe like some heat protectant or like a little silkening mist on your fingers. Put it through the hair so that the hair won't tangle or be just frizzy. You want that oil for that control. So pro tip, and then use a smaller tooth comb than a wide tooth comb, similar to your rat tail, but just if it's a carbon comb, it's perfect. If it's a carbon comb, it's perfect. That's what I use. I use a carbon comb. That is a heat-resistant comb. And I'm just finishing her off, making sure that leave out is blended with some got-to-be spray. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really enjoy having you here. Thank you, babe. Bye.